The secret power of the slimy plant family, Malvaceae. What if I told you your clothes and your favorite snack are actually cousins? No, really. They both belong to the Malvaceae family. From the cotton in your jeans to the cacao in your chocolate and the okra in your gumbo. This plant family basically runs the world. The Mallow ID Kit. So, how do you spot a Malvaceae member in the wild? You look for these 3 signatures. The star hairs, get a magnifying glass. The young stems and leaves are covered in stellate hairs, tiny, star-shaped fuss. The sliminess, cut an okra pod or a hibiscus stem. See that goo? That's mucilage. It's the plant's built-in first aid kit for healing wounds and staying hydrated. The flower, tower, look at a hibiscus. See that long tube in the center? That's Monadelphous stamens, a fancy way of saying all the male parts are fused into one single column. Biology breakdown, the technical stuff. Let's nerd out for a second. If you are a botany student, these are the must-knows for your exam. The roots. They use a branched tap root system. One main anchor, dozens of explorers. The leaves, usually alternate and stipulate, they have tiny leaf-like flaps at the base. The floral formula. This is where it gets interesting for the plant nerds out there. The Malvaceae flower has a very specific setup. Epicalyx, a bonus layer of bracts outside the actual calyx. Monadelphous stamens, this is a big one. All the male parts, stamens, are fused into one single column around the style. Reniform anthers, their pollen producers are shaped like tiny kidneys. Gynoecium, superior ovary, multicarpellary, syncarpous, fused to form a single ovary, placentation is axile. Fruits, schizocarps, malva, abutilon, capsulin, hibiscus, berry in case of Malvaceae. Pollination, entomophilous, protandrous. Seed, non-endospermic, embryo straight or curved. The floral formula, floral diagram and characteristic features for exams are given in the description. Where do they live? Everywhere. The Malvaceae family is truly cosmopolitan. While they thrive in the tropics and subtropics, where they are most diverse, they've successfully colonized temperate zones too. From rainforests to coastal wetlands, they are the ultimate survivors. The Big 3 economic giants. Why is this family worth billions of dollars? 3 reasons. Cotton, gossypium, the world's premier textile fiber. Those hairs on the seeds? That's your t-shirt. Cacao, theobroma, the source of chocolate. Without Malvaceae, dessert is cancelled. Okra, abelmoschus, a global food staple packed with nutrition, and that signature slime. The ladyfinger. From medicine, like the soothing marshmallow root, to high-fashion cotton, the Malvaceae family is a master of adaptation. Next time you see a hibiscus, give it a nod. It's doing a lot more than just looking pretty. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more botanical deep dives.